I picked up these rechargeable AAA batteries by POWEROWL. I love them because you can just keep using them over and over again, just recharge them when you need to, and it's just so easy and convenient to do. I was just getting so sick and tired of like having batteries and then you just get them like piled up and you never know where to dispose of them. So I just needed like a better solution, and these ones by POWEROWL are awesome. So just your regular AAA battery. I love it comes in like a pack of 24, so you always have them ready to go. I love this charging station too by POWEROWL. You can charge up your AAA batteries and your AA batteries. It has an indicator up at the top here, turns green when they're ready to go. You can see here, they pop out really nice, has like the spring at the bottom. Just pop them right back in. And does the same for the AAAs here. Just a little bit smaller, but yeah, really nice. These do great in remote controls. They last a long time. I also use them in all my kids' toys. I'm constantly going through batteries, and just being able to recharge them is just so easy and convenient. So if you're looking for some really nice rechargeable batteries, these ones by POWEROWL are a great choice. Thanks for watching.